I am not intimidated. Look how many there is.
Why do they keep moving? Isn't it cool how they fly? Just look, study their movement.
Yeah. There they come back. Go.
Run!
Watch them all start. Let's see lions over here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you're fishing as well?
I do.
Guys, here's where you go
Yeah,
fishing.
see 'em.
This is the Pacific
That's
window. It's the
On
Sea
the
of
other
Cortez
side.
into the
This
Pacific
is
Ocean.
the small little sea of Cortez. On the other side of the rock,
On the side, the rock that runs in the middle, Pacific Ocean. See? Scooby-Doo rock.
wait, where's Scooby-Doo?
Here we are at Point Lobos. They're kind of the tip of our trail. This is the view that we got.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.